Hello, my name is Tahlia and I am the Leadership Development Manager at Australia's largest loyalty program, Flybuys. We were lucky enough to partner with Trudy in early 2025 to run some sessions on effective performance conversations with our senior leadership team and our people leaders. We first came across Trudy through our partnership with Growth Faculty when we heard her speak at the end of 2024 on leadership and culture, and she was incredibly impressive and we knew we wanted to partner with her. So we have spent the last couple of months working really closely on developing some incredible content to deliver to our senior leaders and people leaders, which we ran in May of 2025. So we run a couple of leadership programs here at Flybuys, one for our executive and senior leaders and another for our people leadership cohort. And one of the areas that we identified as wanting to support them with was being able to have more meaningful and effective performance conversations with their team members, not just to drive high performance, but to make the conversations more meaningful for their people, so their people were clear on the areas where they were excelling and also areas of opportunity for development. Trudy was absolutely wonderful to partner with. She took the time to really understand our business and tailor her content to meet us where we are at. And when it came to facilitating on the day, she ran 3 sessions for us and they were absolutely phenomenal. She has an incredibly deep level of expertise on the topic and was able to provide frameworks and really practical tools for our team to take away and implement what they are learning within the business. We've had fantastic feedback from everyone who attended her sessions with Trudy, which was over 50 of our team members, who just said, they felt really confident in the framework she was presenting. They very much appreciated the deep level of knowledge that she brought from the sessions, and most importantly, the practicality for them to be able to take away something and be really clear on what it is they need to do to make those conversations more meaningful with their people. So it was a huge success, and we look forward to continuing to partner with Trudy into the future. Thank you very much.